Students, book for reading. In this video, I will be revising book 4 and book 5 reading. So, read with me. Ib, id, ig, im, in, ip, it, ix. Ib, id, ig, im, in, ip, it, ix. Now this page, see, read it like this. Ba, ib, bib, na, ib, nib. Picture, bib, nib. This is bib, nib. These are the rhyming words. Fib, jib, rib, tib. Now next, these are id words. Ha, id, hit. La, id, lit. Picture, hit, lit. This is hit, lit. Rhyming words, bid, kid, mid, rid. This page has been done. Now this page, see, da, ig, dig, fa, ig, fig, pa, ig, pig, va, ig, wig. These are ig words. Picture, dig. This is a fruit, fig. This is an animal, pig. This is wig. This page also has been done. Okay, this is also done. Now, sentences. The is the kid has a bib, bib. So this picture he is a kid and he is wearing a bib. The kid has a bib. See this picture? The color of the pen is red and the nib is broken. टूटा हुआ है. So the the pen pen, is red, red. So the pen is red. It has a broken, broken nib. The pen is red. It has a broken nib. Next, this is you can see it is a lid and this boy is hiding. Okay, so the sentence is Sid, hid, SID sid, HID hid, behind means lid ke piche. A big lid. Sid hid behind a big lid. And this is, see this picture, it's a pig and there is a fig near the pig. Okay, now there is a fig. So the sentence is, the big pig has a fig. The big pig has a fig. Now this page, see, im words, I am im. Da, im, dim. Ra, im, rim. Sa, im, sim. Now look at the pictures. This is dim. Say loudly, this is dim. This is rim. This is sim. Now the rhyming words, him, kim, tim. And this is the activity, you have to tick the correct word. Now these words, see, these are in words, in, in. Ba in bin, fa in fin, ta in tin, va in win. Now look at the pictures. This is bin, bin. Okay, this is bin, this is fin. This is the जो circle किया है, that is fin. This is tin. This is win. These are the rhyming words: gin, kin, pin, sin. And see, this is an activity. This has also been done. Look at this page. These are ip words. Da ip dip, la ip lip, sa ip sip, ta ip tip. And the pictures. This is dip, lip, sip, tip. Dip, lip, sip, tip. Rhyming words: hip, nip, rip, and zip. And look at this. These are it words. Ha it hit, ka it kit, pa it pit, sa it sit. Look at the pictures. This is hit, kit, pit, sit. This picture is pit. This is kit. This is hit. And this is sit. And the rhyming words: bit, fit, lit, and zit. So, see, this is an activity page. If it has not been done, आप कर लीजिए. Read the words and match them with the pictures. Like, see the picture. This is dip. Okay, this is dip. So, where is dip? This is dip. This is sip. S-I-P, sip. So, where is sip? This is sip. This is lip. L-I-P, lip. And this is tip. Circle जो किया हुआ है, that is tip of the pencil. T-I-P, tip. And see these pictures. This he is hitting the nail. ये हैमर है, ये नेल है, तो आप इसको क्या टिक करेंगे? हिट, H-I-T, hit. This is sit. The child is sitting, so sit. And this is a kit. Tick this. And see, these are X words. I-X-X. I-X-X. Fa X fix. Ma X mix. Sa X six. Pictures. This is fix, mix, six. Fix, mix, six. And the rhyming words: dicks, nicks, picks, ticks. And this is the activity which you have to tick the correct word. And this page has also been done. ये भी कर लिया है. And come to this page. This page has also been done. So, look these sentences. See this one. The, the pin is in the bin. माने यहाँ पे क्या है? बिन के अंदर एक पिन है. इसको कैसे पढ़ेंगे? The pin is in the bin. And now take up this sentence. There are 6 tins on the big mat. अब देखो on माने मैट के ऊपर कितने टिन्स हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now book 5. Read with me. Ob, odd, og, op, ot, ox, oi. Ob, odd, og, op, ot, ox, oi. Now see, these are ob words. K, ob, cob. J, ob, job. M, ob, mob. S, ob, sob. कॉब माने ये कॉर्न है ना, इसके अंदर जो ये ब्राउन कलर का दिख रहा है ना, इसको हम कॉब कहते हैं. कॉब. ये पिक्चर देखिए. जॉब, ये वर्क कर रहे हैं तो उसको कहते हैं जॉब. ये इतना क्राउड है यहाँ पे, सो इट इज़ मॉब. दिस इज सॉब. And see, these are odd words. O-D odd, K odd cord, P odd pod, R odd rod. This is cord, pod, rod. God, hod, sod, tod. This is the rhyming words. और ये देखिए, ये वाला एक्टिविटी वी हैव डन. सो नाउ ऑग वर्ड्स. D og dog, H og hog, J og jog, L og log. Now see the pictures. Dog, hog, jog, log. And rhyming words cog, mog, sog, tog. And see, this page has also been done. So see this sentence, this one. ये एक ही इस पेज में कराया था सेंटेंस. इसको देखिए. THE the pod is near the rod. Near माने पास. The pod is near the rod. Now see, this is op words. OP, K op cop, H op hop, M op mop, P op pop, T op top. So see the pictures. This is cop, hop, mop, pop, top. Now see the rhyming words. Bop, cop, pop. Now see, these are ought words. O-T, ought. K ought cot, D ought dot, H ought hot, P ought pot. Pictures recognize करो. Cot, dot, hot, pot. And this page has also been done. Now see, this is ox words. O-X ox. B ox box, F ox fox. Recognize the picture. This is box, fox. Rhyming words ox, cox, locks, mox, pox. And this is OY oi words. Boy, toy. This is a boy and this is a toy. Rhyming words soy, roy, joy, coy. So this activity has also been done. And now sentences. Children see. THIS को हम कहते हैं this. आपको पता ही होगा. This is my top. This is my top. I like to hop and mop. अब ये वाला सेंटेंस देखिए. The pot is near the bed. Pot bed के पास है. A big dot is on the pot. This is the dot which is on the pot. The fox is in the box. Means इस box के अंदर fox है. The fox is in the box. The boy has a toy. This boy has a toy. और बच्चे असेसमेंट्स के लिए फ्लावर और बटरफ्लाई बीटल कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. Okay students.